this video, I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen pin on your Android phone in the 2026 updated method. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open settings, then scroll down slowly. Here you can find the security and privacy option. Simply tap on it and wait to open the page. After that, you can find the lock screen option. Simply tap on it, then verify to enter your current lock screen pin. Then open the next page. Here you can see various password method there, such as pin, password, pattern, face recognition, fingerprints, and more if it available. For example, if you decide to change your pin, simply tap on the pin name, then enter your new pin. For example, I am type this pin, but you can type always a hard pin, but make sure to this is knowledge your phone. Then hit continue, tap on use anyway, retype the same pin again your phone. After you're done, tap on the OK button. And you have successfully done. To check it work or not, simply lock your phone, then try to unlock it. And this time your new pin code is appear. If you type your old pin code, this time not be unlocked. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.